Welcome to GT Templates. Now, using your templates will vastly improve your efficiency in loading and managing your builds. So let's have a look at how templates are structured. Now, as you know, GT comprises a comprehensive product library, and the products come complete with the warranty, maintenance and care documents for the product. These product level documents can only be altered by GT staff. Now, once a template is created, products are selected and added. Products added to a template have a window to the warranty and other documents. The builder can add their own documents to the template product. And when a build is created, it uses the products in the template as a starting point for the build. And additional products can be added directly to the build, and any products not required can be removed. The products in the build have windows back to all of the documents in both the product and the template. And if there are product documents specific to the build, they can now be added. A build always knows which template it came from. Remember, the build product has a window back to the template product, and so if you add a new document to the template product, it is immediately visible to all of the builds using that product, and the same is true for an updated document. If a product is removed from the template and it contains the template documents uploaded by the builder, it remains as a ghost template, so the document is still available to any builds using the product. This is true for any products added to the build at a later time. As you might expect, if you create a new build, ghost products are not included, but of course can be added later if required. In addition to product documents, the template also has a general document library, useful for things like covenants and builder info such as contacts, etc. These documents work in the same way as the product documents with two main differences. First of all, they can be categorized. And secondly, individual documents can be blocked from view by means of a switch in the build. For example, you might use this template for a build that is outside of the covenants area. So you can hide the covenants document by simply switching the switch. Now let's look at template management. Templates can be created manually by using the new option, and this creates an empty template. If an existing template is useful as a starting point, it can be copied. We'll copy the products in the template. Now there are also three additional options that can be chosen: copying of the template documents, the product warranty documents, and the product general documents. Importantly, these three options perform an actual copy of the documents so that they can be modified independently of the template from which they were copied. Be sure to watch the next upcoming video on how to perform these actions in the GT application. And as always, thanks for watching.